Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Our today's topic is sound waves. Let's have some review about vibrations. Students, as we know that when a body is displaced from its equilibrium position by the application of external force and then released, it commences to vibrate. It means when we will move these springs or we will put some external force, they will move backward and forward or to and fro. Similarly, a handbell vibrates when we shake it. Its slides move backward and forward rapidly, as you can see in this picture, forward and then backward. It means the vibrating bell pushes to and fro on the air molecules around it, making the air pressure rise and fall. These pressure changes are passed on by the air molecules around the bell. So a sound wave travels away from the bell. The parts of the sound waves where the air pressure is greater as the air molecules are bunched up are called compressions. These are compression in which air molecules are bunched up. And the parts of sound waves where the pressure is less as the air molecules are spread out. These are called rarefactions. Students, we do not have to put our ears on the bell to hear it ringing. The sound is carried to our ears by vibrating air molecules. So these are the rarefaction, the parts of sound wave where the pressure of air is less and air molecules are spread out, and these are the compression, the parts of a sound wave where air molecules are bunched up, and these are called compressions. Then this is a sound wave. The distance between two crust is called wavelength. The upper height is called crust and lower height is called trough. So students, basically there are two types of sound waves, longitudinal waves and transverse waves. So when a sound wave travels through the air molecules vibrate in the same direction as the sound wave is traveling. The kind of wave is known as longitudinal wave. Students, surely you cannot see a sound wave, but this spring shows you how longitudinal wave travel. If you hold the spring between your outstretched hand and pull one end of the spring in and out, you can send a longitudinal wave along the spring. The coils of the spring move closer together. These are the closer waves, but further apart as the wave transfers energy along the spring. So these are the rarefaction and compression, as we know that. So this is a longitudinal wave, a traveling wave or pulse that causes an element of a medium to move parallel to the direction of propagation is called longitudinal wave. This is the definition of longitudinal wave, and this spring can show you the compressed part, the stretched part, then again the compressed part and the stretched part. The same ways the longitudinal wave travel, and the sound from the music system travels in the longitudinal waves. The second type of sound wave is transverse waves. Students, sound waves spread out from the source of sound rather like the waves that spread out when you throw a stone into a pond. But there are differences between the way in which water waves and sound waves travel. When a stone is thrown into water, it is not the water which is moving out from the splash. The water molecules are simply bobbing up and down at the right angle to the direction of sound waves. This kind of wave is transverse waves. So, a traveling wave or pulse that causes the element of the disturbed medium to move perpendicular to the direction of propagation is called transverse waves. This is the perpendicular drawn, the straight line towards the direction of movement. This is called transverse waves. So, these are the definitions of transverse waves and longitudinal waves. A transverse wave is a wave in which the particles of medium vibrate perpendicular, means at 90-degree angle to the direction of propagation, and in longitudinal wave, a longitudinal wave is a wave in which the particles of medium vibrate in a direction parallel to the direction of propagation. So it was our today's video about sound waves and their types. I hope you have got it. Meet you with our next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.